Alright, we are back. So, I like how I had in my first guest appearance. I have a mystery topic that my guest here does not know what the mystery topic is.
I didn't even know there was a mystery topic.
I told you.
Did you? I don't listen to people.
Alright,
well, am I emotionally prepared for this?
I don't know. I think you're at least mentally prepared for it.
I hope so.
So, you talk a lot about math. You are a math major.
Yeah.
I don't know if we mentioned that. So, I just thought that it'd be nice to give a quick lesson on a little bit of a math topic, but I want you to attempt to the best of your ability to describe what a linear operator is to the fans using only analogies to farm animals.
Sounds like the shittiest Cards Against Humanity black card in history.
Mm-hmm. And I will be illustrating.
Will you?
Yeah.
Step one is I should probably look up, because I don't remember what a linear operator is.
Well, it's a matrix is a type of linear operator, but that's
Okay. So it's like a linear. Okay, so it's a linear transformation, but then, it's when it's when the two sets equal each other. See, this was because I took linear algebra, and I fucking hated linear algebra, and this was all the shit that we did. So I think I just kind of blocked this from my memory because it was goddamn PTSD.
Take your time, but remember, farm animals.
Farm animals, yeah. It's gonna be a bad time. Which map is called the linear operator.
We're gonna get a key going up here so I can draw things quicker. That's a chicken.
Delta is chicken.
Well, I was going with a triangle. It's
okay.
not necessarily equilateral, but then
my understanding of a linear operator is that it's so say that you had is there a word for when a bunch of cows are fucking fenced in, not just a farm, but I feel there should be a word for it because
there's it's a ranch.
Yeah,
it's a cattle ranch.
But I'm saying cause you have a farm and then you'll have an area where there's just a wooden fence and you're keeping plants and shit in there, or sometimes you keep animals in there.
Yeah.
Because there's a name for that just area inside of the farm.
There is. I'm trying.
I just don't know what it is. Yeah.
Does anyone in the chat know what this is? I believe. Well, the entire area is a ranch.
Yeah.
But it's a.
I keep on wanting to say
pasture.
Barn. Maybe pasture, yeah.
Because cows are usually in the pasture.
Yeah.
But it'd be a condensed pasture, pasteurization.
Yeah.
Condensing.
Swish.
Yeah.
So a linear operator described using only farm animals would be if you just had a pasture full of cows.
Okay, so we have a bunch of squares.
If you had a pasture full of cows and shit, and you decided that you wanted to and they're organized in a specific way, so you've got the different families all kind of organized in rows. So you got the daddy and the mommy and the son and the daughter.
Oh, okay. I thought you were saying they had specific last names.
No.
Okay.
They're just so they're organized. Let's say they're organized by families and rows and shit. A linear operator is just when the farmer decides to move the cows to a different pasture in a way that the cows are still with their families. That's what a linear operator is.
Okay, so you couldn't necessarily say that a cow would become a chicken in the process.
No.
But maybe the dad and the bull and the dairy cow switch positions in the new pasture.
Yes.
So you'd start milking the bull cow, or would you just milk the dairy cow in a different place?
You'd milk the dairy cow in a different place.
Okay. And that would be a different physical location, not bodily location.
No, it's not the same pasture, moving the cow. You would take the cows and you would put them in some big ass
the dad
truck or
would be over here.
Whatever thing you use to transport cows. I don't have a preference. And then you would move them to an entirely separate pasture. Like say that like Katrina 2 hit, and like your farm just got fucked over, and then you need to like find a new pasture. So you like took all the cows, and then you just put them in like a cowmobile, and then you brought them to a new pasture.
There's a cowmobile.
Yeah, I don't know how people normally transport cows.
It's a mobile.
Yeah.
But it's
a cowmobile.
I was going. There's a mobile, and
there you
then
go.
it's used to force cows in other directions,
Yes.
which is surprising because mobiles are usually a
Gentle
work-in
Yes.
situation instead of a work-out. You know,
They're gentle creatures.
Yeah,
They're pretty cute.
they kind of just absorb energy.
Yeah.
If you ask me, so they might be a little selfish, but
They're fairly docile creatures, mobile. And then the mobile moves them to Mobile, Alabama. So
mobile.
Then so you have like this pasture in Mobile, Alabama that the cows like just get fucking dumped off on. But then they're like dumped off with their families still, so that's cute.
And we're gonna assume mobile is up here, which is probably wrong. Oh, but that's a unicorn, so it's fine.
Unicorns are
if you read the key.
Yeah. There's just like a fucking unicorn in like
in the middle of
See, that's how sad. I don't even know any fucking cities in Alabama. Like Tuscaloosa? Is that a city?
Montreal.